Welcome to 1802 Morrell Street. I'm Matt Swab with Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home is located on a picturesque street in Brighton Heights. Now before we go inside, let's take a moment to appreciate the curb appeal and gorgeous architecture of this home. Inside, the character continues. Beautifully restored dark wood molding and cabinetry anchor the space, while light from the many windows shines through the generous rooms. The updated kitchen tastefully complements the original architecture of the home. Floating shelves, classic subway tile, and an open bar to the dining room offer you the modern features you want without compromising the home. Upstairs, it's all about the details of comfort. The hardwoods continue to a large landing off of which you have easy access to your bedrooms, baths, and the large third-floor bonus room. I love the custom tile work and lighting in each of the updated bathrooms, and throughout the home, you'll find original doors and hardware. If this home looks familiar, you may have seen it featured on the Brighton Heights House and Garden Tour. Built in 1923, it's a thoughtful combination of Craftsman and Tudor architecture. This wide porch and the open eaves of the Craftsman style make it warm and inviting, while the steeply pitched roof, overlapping gables, and decorative timber add a touch of Tudor drama. Thanks for joining me in this beautiful home today. I'm Matt Swab with Piatt Sotheby's International Realty. For more information or to schedule a tour, visit 1802morrell.com.